Hello, my dear students. We are having one question related to the vector, and in this question, it is given that if a vector dot b vector is equal to a vector dot c vector, okay, and for these three vectors a, b, c, which option is correct? So here it is given that a vector dot b vector is equal to a vector dot c vector. So if we simplify this, we can write a vector dot b vector minus a vector dot c vector is equal to 0. So this a vector, if we are taking common, so in the bracket we will get b vector minus c vector is equal to 0. And here is the dot product. So you can say this a vector, if the dot product of this two first vector and this second vector is equal to 0, then definitely these two vectors are perpendicular to each other. So you can write a vector is perpendicular to b vector minus c vector. Okay, so here is the D option, very correct option. A vector is perpendicular to b minus c vector. Thank you.